All right, Facebook, YouTube, what's going on, guys? Today is February the 13th. We're in, I think, Laurel Branch in Sevierville, Tennessee. We're here with my client, Buddy. We just wrapped up a full sand and refinish on his pre-finished maple hardwood floors. He had a water leak out of the dishwasher that caused significant cupping in the floors. So had us out here, gave an estimate, hired us to come out here and sand these floors down. As always, we like to get a little bit of a client testimonial. So, Buddy, I guess first and foremost, how did you find us? How did you hear about us, and why did you decide to hire us?
A building supply recommended you.
Okay.
Based on a TV that you were on TV.
Yeah.
I reached out. You came over and gave me an estimate, and we agreed to do the business.
Okay. Now, as far as the scope of work, because I think I told you like what, 5 days? I think it was going to take.
Yes. 5 days.
Yeah, I think it was going to take 5 days, and we ended up getting done in what was it?
3 days.
Yeah, in 3 days. From start to finish, what was the process like? Were you happy with the work? Was there anything that stood out? Was there anything that you weren't happy with? What did the work look like from beginning to end?
The work's excellent work. You were here on Tuesday morning on the agreed upon time, and you started sanding the floors. I expected a lot of dust and stuff, but it was very minimal dust.
Yeah.
The sanding people did an excellent job sanding it down, getting it right, and then we applied the coats.
Yeah.
The lack of sanding dust was probably the most noticeable thing to me.
Yeah, I think.
I expected it to be dusty every place.
Exactly.
We had to do a lot of cleanup afterwards. Minimal cleanup.
Exactly, and that's what we get that a lot. Our clients call, they're concerned about the dust in the house. We always tell them we use dust containment systems. It's not how it was, probably 15, 20 years ago when people weren't using, HEPA filtration and dust containment systems. Everything that we have is connected to hoses and dust containment. So relatively dust-free, I would say over 90% dust-free. And once we get done too, like I was telling Buddy, went down and wiped off all the handrails. There's some dust left on the front porch. I asked him for a water hose. He said, hey, don't worry about it, take care of it. But we do our best to make sure that we clean up. And like I was telling you, to make sure that it doesn't look like we were here besides your awesome looking floors. Got all his doors put back up and everything put back up there. So overall, I think it came out really good. I think the matte finish is gonna wear really well. Last, would you recommend or refer us to a friend?
Yes, most definitely.
Perfect. All right, Buddy, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Appreciate it.
much. I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Awesome. Thank you for that.